It's not our job to figure out how God will do it. It's our job though to believe that God can do it. Kaya ka natatakot kasi pinifigure out mo, paano. You don't have, it's not your job, my friend. So ngayon, sinisisi mo kaya wala kang negosyo kasi wala kang puhunan. Kaya hindi ka makatapos kasi wala kang oras. Sometimes you have these excuses, but I was just thinking, is it possible na yung humahad lang sa'yo para sa upgraded version ng buhay mo, is not the things that are around you? Hindi yung mga nasa paligid mo, but the things na nakakahad lang sa'yo actually is those things that are within you. Your fears, your doubts. Hindi naman pera problema mo, takot mo eh. Why don't we look at the same giants, the same wall, in a different angle? Nirereklamo mo yung asawa mo, but why don't you start appreciating and looking at it in a different angle? Nirereklamo mo yung boss mo, pero baka makita mo yung mga bagay na ginawa niyang mabuti. Look